Hello Muskies. This short video is a tutorial just to help you when you are ready to calculate the energy released from burning your food samples. And so at this time you have your temperature recorded and you hopefully have calculated your change in temperature, and we're going to be calculating the energy released. And I guess one thing to talk a little bit about is this number 1 here, which stands for the specific heat of water. And specific heat is just kind of a way of describing how easily something can absorb heat. So how easily it heats up and cools down. And so the formula we're going to use is to find the energy released is we're going to take the mass of the water times the change in temperature and then times 1 here, which is the specific heat of water. And so we know so far from our lab that the mass of our water is 50 grams, and then our change in temp, and just something new you might not know here, this triangle here is you can say delta. It's a Greek symbol, and it's a Greek symbol, and all it means is change in. So we look back over here, this just means our change in temp. And when we use this formula, it's important to know that we are finding, I guess, what I like to call small calories, which are a little bit different than the calories you see in a food label at a grocery store. Those are big calories, and those are actually called kilocalories. And so we'll do a little conversion at the end to get into our kilocalories as well. So when you are working out with this formula, you are going to just plug in the numbers where they belong. And so we know that we've got 50 grams right here, and we're going to find our change in temp, and then we're going to multiply it by 1. So in this case, if our change of temp is 25, we take 50 times 25 times 1, and we get 1,250 small calories. Now if we wanted to convert those, we could do that, and we could do that by taking our small calories and then dividing it by 1,000. And then hopefully after watching this, you kind of have an idea how to apply this formula then to complete your data table in your investigation.